Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Live sales sticky leads review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this training program called the Live Sales Sticky Leads. So this is the Live Sales Sticky Leads review, and right now we are on the sales page, and this is what you will be getting inside the training course. This is what you will go through. So we'll get back to this later on. Right now the sales page, it says introducing the highest chance of success yet lowest cost way to launch a local lead business. Brace yourself, the lead gen business just got 1000% better since we switched to the best niche ever. Now with this killer niche, these red hot leads got gobbled up by clients like fillet steak in a crowded kennel. Now you are invited to do what we do, but you must join before this time, okay? And consultant, this and that. So he's the guy. I will show his profile on Warrior Plus in a moment. So that's it. All right, so you can go to this URL directly because they are not accepting any more affiliates. So you will not find the link below my video. So you have to go on this website directly in case you want to buy this. And in case you choose to do local business marketing, I guess. Okay, so let's see if we go through the frequently asked questions. I guess you're supposed to sell these leads. I don't know. We'll see what we can what we can find out. Okay, so is this a rehash? No. Does this take a lot of time? No. Will I need a budget? Large budget? No. Will I need to hire employees? Up to you. Can I do this from my computer? Of course, you need a computer. It's good, so good. Why don't you charge more? Because they will come back again with a new product. How long does it take to get results? Nobody can tell you. Do I get lifetime access? Of course you do. Can I really do this? Of course you can. Why will clients take a chance on me? Because they need you. All right, done. Okay. Before we talk about anything, right? So they're talking about here faster, steadier. I don't like these words, faster, half an hour per day. No, that's garbage, okay? I don't like these words and these promises. But anyways, so look at the face here. And if we come back to the Warrior Plus, my poll, and this is a training program. So I will tell you one thing about training programs. But before that, you can see the stars, 4.17. So almost 4.2 stars out of 5 stars. So people say they love it. Okay, these are his previous training courses, and normally he cater local business marketing. So he makes so much money, I guess, by doing local business. Okay, now in this training program, live sales, whatever it is, he's going to teach you how to get local leads, right? Now, this could be for, this could be for a micro group of people, because not everybody across the globe can do this method, because, first of all, it might not appeal everybody. Everybody might not be interested in finding clients, offering them some service or offering them some lead services, stuff like that. Okay. Personally, I may not be, I may not want to do this. Okay. Because I know better ways which will make me money which will make me money without doing anything in the long term. Okay. So if you are, first of all, sure that you want to try local marketing where you might have to contact some clients, close the deal, offer them some services, then take the check, then you may go and try, okay? And what you will be learning inside will be these modules. So second reason why I will not buy personally, you are most welcome to buy. Personally, I will not buy because this thing is getting delivered in a PDF. I don't have time to read. Understand? Personally, I would want the training program in a video format. I will never read. I will just throw away the ebook if I had the hard copy. If you give me the hard copy of any book, like 10 pages book, 20 pages book, and if you give me the hard copy to read, I will tear it apart. I will throw in your face. Reading a fat book is a different thing. Reading novels, reading 500 pages book is a different thing. But I'm talking about some training program. Okay, you give me like 10, 20 pages and you say, you read this and then you follow the instruction. Not going to work with me. Okay, so you go and record a video and send me the link. I will watch the video for 20 minutes, half an hour, and I will do whatever you teach me. But not the ebooks. Okay, but you might be different than me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, these are modules. Like what is this? Newly formed business, better audience, force Google and Craigslist to hand you fresh leads. Okay. So you're going to technically scrape or find the leads from Google and Craigslist, and you're going to sell those leads to local businesses. And obviously, I will leave up to you, because you have to go and buy this course and then go through this, I guess, PDF and training in this theory format. Okay, if you're patient, if you can concentrate actually, then you can go and buy this and you go through all this and become a money broker. You see here, become a money broker. Money broker means that you will be a broker obviously, but you will be connecting a buyer to a seller. Okay, buyer and a seller, so they both could be located in your local area. So somebody needs something and somebody supplies that thing, and you will be a person, you'll be a person in between. You will contact the seller and you will contact the buyer and you will make them close the deal, I guess, and you will keep a commission, I guess. Okay, I don't know how it works, but that is why you have to go and buy this. And personally, I would do what I am doing right now. I will come and make a YouTube video. This is so simple. You see, make a 10-20 minutes YouTube video, upload it on YouTube. When you are watching my YouTube video, you must have seen some advertisements in my video, and those ads make me money. I don't need to find any seller or buyer. Okay, I have made my money already, because when you go below my YouTube video, you will see make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, this Traffic Jarvis will teach you exactly what I am doing, the way I'm doing it. And we are talking about getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you need on your YouTube channel if you want to monetize it. Okay, and you will get those requirements, 1,000 and 4,000 thingy, in 2 weeks only. After that, your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within 1 month, it will be monetized. Which means from next month onwards, your job will be pretty simple. Come on YouTube, make videos, upload them. People will be watching those videos. You will make your money. Go back, rinse and repeat. Okay, not okay. Maybe you understand something, maybe you understood nothing. Okay, that is why you have to go and click on the first link below my video and go on this page, and you will find 2 methods there which will make you money for lifetime. There are only 2 methods which works in affiliate marketing. One is email marketing, grow your email list, and then we have this universal free method of YouTube. Okay, so on this link you will find those 2 methods which you can personally use to grow your business, make money online without depending on connecting anybody to anybody. Okay, so yeah, this live sales sticky leads sounds to be a good training program, because see, let me tell you one interesting thing here. You may or you may not know, because the stars which you see here, 4 stars out of 5, these stars are based on his training program or the content he delivers. Okay, so if he teaches you something through his videos, if he teaches you something through his ebooks. Okay, so the stars are given to him based on his knowledge, based on his content delivery. Okay, here do not get confused. Whether you get 5 stars or 4 stars, it is not the proof that those people have made money. Let's back this up. Okay, so you see here 92 people. 92 people have left their ratings, and in accumulation, the rating is 4 out of 5. Okay, however, this rating only means that these 92 people loved the content, liked the training programs. There is no proof that how many of these 92 people have actually made money from these courses. I hope you understand. So for example, right now when you are watching my YouTube video, let's put it this way. When you are watching my YouTube video, you may give me 4 star, 5 star, or maybe 10 out of 10. Okay, you will be giving me those stars just because you like this video, just because you like the way I'm talking, just the way I deliver the content. Okay, so those stars are based on my personality, based on my content deliverability. Okay, it does not mean that if you give me 5 stars or 10 stars, you have made some money here. Understood? So never get confused, because when it comes to training program is like only transfer of knowledge. So he's going to teach you something, I'm going to teach you something, but he or me cannot be responsible if you don't implement something or practically on the ground, and you don't work, you don't make money. Okay, so I guess we have 2 OTOs here to talk about. OTO 1 is this. Front end will cost you how much? Let me see. 27. Okay, and then you have 2 OTOs. So this one will cost you, I guess, OTO 1 is 47. You can see the features. OTO 2, what is the downsell? Okay, so downsell is again for 27. Then OTO 2 upsell is 57. Downsell is 37. And there are only 2 OTOs, right? So yeah, there you go. Nothing much to talk about. So they will teach you how to set up your lead generation business locally and get leads from Google and Craigslist, and then sell them, I guess, to some other buyers. Okay, So go and grab this course if you think that this is something interesting to you. You can do this. You want to do this, then just go and get it. Personally, a lot of people might not want to do this, or maybe some people would like to do this. Okay, you have to decide where do you fit in. Okay, and the link will not be below my video. Go and buy directly from this link if you want to. And if you want to make money just the way I am making, just by uploading videos without selling anything, without connecting anybody with anybody, then go below my YouTube video, click on the first link here. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis. And yeah, on next page, you will find the methods which I personally use. Okay. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button or dislike, both you can do. I don't mind, right? Like, dislike, whatever. And then this bell thingy, click on these buttons. They're all free. Subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free, this bell is free. Just press all these buttons. But if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then you can click on the super thanks button and leave your question and comments. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that, okay? In the end, I would say these training programs will come and go. They will come again after maybe next 1 month, 2 months, who knows, right? These things will come and go. There's only one thing, or there may be a couple of things which stays online forever when it comes to making money online, is YouTube. Have a YouTube channel, grow it, grow your subscribers. They will be your own leads and traffic, okay? Or grow your email list. That will be your own traffic by default, okay? There's nothing else required if you can master these two. If you know you have 2 oceans right in front of you, then you do not need to worry about 10,000 swimming pools. To put this into this perspective right now, if you can master email marketing and if you can master YouTube, then you do not need to worry about 10,000 ways to make money online, which will come and go, okay? So you have to decide what will suit your personality. For some people, they might make a lot of money locally. For some people, they might so much money online. It depends. I don't know what your situation is, and so if you want to buy, then go and buy. If not, then you can check out the first link below my video, and you will be able to see how I make my money online. Okay. In the end, subscribe, like, and on this note, I would say, guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. However, you have to work manually, whether you do something locally or whether you do something online. You will have to work for your money. Nothing else will happen on its own. So just go and do whatever it takes. Go write if you can, go speak if you can, go scream if you can. And if you cannot do any of that, then stand with the person who's screaming for you. Thank you very much. Subscribe and like. It's free and mandatory. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized. and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.